Hello everybody, today I am here to share with you the things I've been loving for the month of March. I didn't do one for February, so this might kind of roll over a little bit from my February favorites that I never really filmed. Anyways, the first thing that I want to mention is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This one, the one that I got, is the Dewy and Smooth. I know there's also one for like matte, more of a matte finish, but I have pretty dry skin, so I tend not to go for really matte finishes. That's typically what I do. The number or the color that I have is 110 Porcelain. I feel like this is a pretty good match for me, but it might be a little bit dark. It seems to go pretty well with my neck, but like my arms are really pale right now. Anyways, I really like this. This is for normal to dry skin. It does have SPF 18, which isn't really a lot, but it's something. It's better than nothing. And yeah, I have been using this every day. I just apply it with a brush. I don't really know what to say. It gives like a light to medium coverage. It's not super light coverage, but it's also not something I'd call a medium coverage. It's like light to medium. It's good for every day wear. It's not, you know, it's not going to cover everything. I'm wearing it today, and I feel like it does a really good job. So yeah, I wanted to mention that. I've got a mascara. I've really been liking this. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I know everybody's heard about it, so I'm not going to talk about it for too long. I don't particularly remember, but I don't think you have a color option with this one. I think it just comes in black. But this mascara is so good. I'm wearing it today. I have 3 coats of it on today. I have a picture on Instagram of like a before and after. And I don't know what it is about this, but I really like it. It is difficult to get off, so I haven't been wearing it every day. Just cause, I don't know, I want it to last a little bit longer. The brush is smaller, like the bristles are smaller towards the end and they're bigger over here, but I just sort of keep applying this until I get it to where I want it. It is a tiny bit difficult to work with when you get to the 3rd coat, but if you stop before that, you won't have any problems. I feel like also, I was trying to pay attention to it today when I was putting it on. The first coat is like pretty basic level. It's a pretty basic amount of mascara. The second coat goes on nice. It's very lengthening. It's not until like the 3rd coat that it gets clumpy, at least in my opinion. I felt like up until the 2nd coat it looked pretty normal. So yeah, I highly recommend that. If you haven't already checked it out, you should. The last makeup product I have, I was just talking about last week, so I won't bore you with it too much. But this is the Pretty Vulgar blush in Hush Blush, which I just got in my BoxyCharm box, and I have been using this week, or since I got it, and I've really been liking it. It's really impressed me. I'm wearing it today. A little bit of this goes a long way. The first day I used it, I really dipped my brush in it, not thinking it would come out quickly, and it did. So I've been light-handed since then, but I feel like it just gives me just a perfect natural flush to my face. So yeah, just wanted to quickly mention that. I don't want to bore you with it for too long. The next one that I'm going to mention are nail polishes. These are the Essie Gel Couture nail polishes. So I have 2 colors so far. I have it in Spellbound, right? This one is Spellbound, and then this one is Dress Call. So this one is the one I picked up first. It is a gray color with a gold iridescence to it. It's very nice, but it goes on kind of dark. This would have been better like for the whole part of winter, but now that we're getting into spring, I wanted to pick something up a little bit more spring-like, which is why I got Dress Call, and I really, really liked this color. I have pictures of both of them on my nails and on my Instagram page, but I do really like those. I want to pick up more. I'd really like a nice pink color. What else? I don't know. I need a nice pink color. Oh, maybe a blue. I've really been liking like the baby blue, teal, turquoise kind of color, especially for spring and summer. And then over here is just the top coat, so you need this to go on top of the color. You do 2 coats of the color, 1 coat of this, and it lasts me a good week. It's really nice. Good staying power. Really appreciate that. The next thing that I want to mention is a lotion, because I've actually been using lotion a lot lately because I'm trying, I don't know, making just a teensy weensy little bit of effort in trying to prevent stretch marks, but whatever. I'm sure this baby will give me stretch marks whether or not I use lotion. Anyways, I picked this up at Walmart and I liked the smell, I like the packaging, and I like the pump, which I guess goes with the packaging. But this is by Dr. Teals. It's a body lotion. I got the coconut oil and essential oils with cocoa butter and shea butter vitamin E. This stuff smells so good. It smells like beach to me. It just smells so nice. Really like this. There were a lot of different ones by Dr. Teals at Walmart, and a lot of them smelled pretty similar because they all had that like coconut oil kind of thing going on, but I went with this one. But I highly recommend that. It's a good like daytime moisturizer because it's not super heavy, so I can put it on and I don't feel like lathered in lotion, and I feel like I can get dressed and like go about my day. Alright, I've got one more favorite, and if you didn't know this about me, now you will fully know how much of a nerd I am after this next one. My next favorite is a game specifically on the Nintendo Switch, but also the Nintendo Switch. So if you're not familiar with it, I don't know if I've talked about it. I feel like I may have. I probably didn't. If you're not familiar with it, this just sort of sits in a little box. It's not really a box. It sits in a cradle. That's what I'll call it. Over by the TV, and you can play the Nintendo Switch on the TV, or you can take this out and play on the go. So I've really been liking that. The cafeteria at work has not been available for use because they're remodeling it, so I've been playing this a lot, like wherever I am. Specifically on my lunch break, because I can't stop playing this game. This is Dragon Quest Builders. I know you guys are probably like, you are being a total nerd right now. And I know I am. This game is pretty cool though. I am not the type of person to, I don't know, there are a lot of different games that I'll play, and it's due to my husband's influence. But this one I really like because you kind of have your own little village and you build it up. So it's kind of like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like The Sims or something like that. You know how you can like customize your little space. So you can like build things to put in it, or you can go out and like kind of steal stuff and bring it back to your village and put it in there. There is also like some minimal fighting in it, but it's mostly like side quests and stuff like that. There is, I say fighting, but you know what I mean. And it doesn't take place like anytime recently. Obviously it's not real, or it doesn't really match up with anything, but it's kind of like Stone Age kind of stuff. So, and it's very the stuff you're fighting is not practical at all. Like, it's not real at all. But anyways, I really like it. I'm gonna stop talking about it. I do a pretty bad job at describing it, but anyways, I just really like the Switch for being able to take this game on the go, because I play it at night and then the next day I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't stop playing, I want to keep playing it, so I just take this with me and I play it on my lunch break, which is a bad thing probably to be doing, but yeah, that's what I've been doing. Anyways, that was everything that I've been loving for the month of March, and a little bit further back than that, because I've definitely been playing the Switch for quite some time. I will leave a list of everything in the description box down below that I mentioned in today's video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button, that means a lot to me. You can also follow me on Instagram at HairbyLizzyBug. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and until next time, bye! I always like, after I'm done waving to you guys, I'm always like, so is it wrong that I just want to go play this right now? I should have asked you guys if you play the Nintendo Switch and what games you like on it. Why didn't I say that earlier? Ooh, did I include Mario in a favorites? I don't know. Baby brain, I'm telling you.